when I cannot see, then I will not get the feeling of I'm talking to a human being. With some clear picture about human faces, then I really feel, oh, something I'm communicating with a human being. So I want to seek permission from you. Oh, all right, now.
President Murphy, members of the Board of Trustees of the Center, and guests, at the beginning I would like to express my deep appreciation for receiving this International Freedom Award.
I always consider myself as just one human being out of now nearly 7 billion human beings. I always believe each individual sort of what's it, happier future, happier days, heavily related with rest of the humanity. So even from the selfish viewpoint, you have to take care about others' well-being. Then of course we are social animals. So the cooperation is very essential. Genuine cooperation, voluntary, that kind of cooperation very much based on trust or friendship. Friendship based on trust. Trust, how can you develop trust? Can you buy trust through money? No. Through power? No. Through force? No. Only if you show a genuine sense of well-being, genuine concern of others' well-being, and respect others' rights, then trust comes. So my sort of lifelong commitment to promoting basic human values, that's the basis of the future. Now, in order to develop that, using force, bullying, cheating, exploiting, these are just opposite. I mean, these actually destroy these basic human values. So I very much, when I received the invitation